Fucking paprika and shit on this motherfucker, bro.
Wet it.
This money better came through too.
It did. On God, that did. Yeah, a lot of you see it. Now he right here. He right here. Did you get in camera? So they can see you.
Nigga, I can't cheat this challenge, nigga. Who said that?
No. Ain't nobody saying you cheating. They trying to make sure because the prizes these things. You good now? It was a little bit more. I'll show you. I told you that shit. Damn, nigga. Damn, you got a lot. Damn, nigga. Fuck. I know I'm going to trip with that shit. Is hard.
Nah, because I have paprika all in my nose. So now I gotta fight paprika and fucking shoestring.
Man, that's the water, bro. You gotta put the water and spit. Spit too. Spit really well.
I know how to do this.
See?
How was your medicine?
Perfect. That's good. No, that's good.
Hold on, I need something. Hold on. I always try to be conservative for shit that I do. You know what I mean? Give me 2 seconds. I'm about to complete this challenge the right way.
Of course. You got it. Huh?